Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast. This is the Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast.
G'day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. It is my last day in Malaysia. It's bright and early, and I am looking forward to spending the next 10 or so hours on an aeroplane, reading books, and doing not a great deal more, but that's probably a lie. I'll probably do a couple of podcasts because I get inspired when I read, and I want to share that with you. But what happened? What on earth has happened? Well, a couple of things, and I'm talking about the market, right? We're not going to get into some weird, deep, personal journey. Not today anyway. Looking at Bitcoin right now, we're up just about 3%, which is good. Look, it's not bad. It's good. Look, we broke down through the low of that bearish candle yesterday. And when we did, that was kind of like, uh-oh, not again. Are we going south? And we haven't. We've pulled back up. We're moving higher. There's no uptrend. It's not a fantastic daily uptrend. There is no daily uptrend, but it's just not bad. It's been doom and gloom for quite some time. And we've gone again and pushed onto a new higher high on the 4-hour trend. Again, though. The interesting thing is that we've got these big green candles. We have very little price action, then a thump, big green candle. Then we have it grind back down a little bit, then thump, a big green candle. There's really these bizarre big green candles everywhere. I can't put my finger on it. There have been some theories put out there about shorts expiring or something. I can't remember exactly what it was, but look, I just don't know. I don't know if we'll ever know. It might be something that Bitcoin just does at the moment. Either way, it tends to happen in the direction. Well, no, I was going to say it tends to happen in the direction of the trend, but that's not true either. I just don't know. It's completely baffled me. I've got literally zero idea. Now, yesterday there was a nice little cradle, actually a fantastic cradle on Ethereum against dollar off that 487 level back into the Fibonacci level as well. Cradle point as well, bearish candle breaking down with some good convergence. And this man is in that trade and is happy to be. It's not going very well at the moment, but that doesn't really bother me. I take good trades, and then the market does what the market does. So Ethereum's still in that, but it's up 2.6%. Bitcoin Cash has pushed up probably to roughly about 6%. It's pulled back to 2.9. EOS is sort of sitting around 2.6. Cardano hasn't broken yesterday's high either. Lumen's not done a great deal, but Neo, my friend Neo, goodness gracious me. Neo's up 20% today, but at one stage it looks like it would have been up maybe 30, 35%. A big green spiky candle on the 4-hour, and again, most of that move on a 1-hour candle. I'm just moving down to see how the whole move pretty much happened over a 15-minute candle. Nay, 5-minute candle. I'm going to go deep here. Let's see how far we go. It happened over 3 minutes. Neo went from let me tell you right now, $39 to $49. It did a full $10 shebang in the space of 3 minutes. It has since pulled back to $42.30, so it's spiked and pulled back very, very quickly. But something's going on there. And the cheeky Chinese, I don't know what's happening there. The cheeky Chinese might be saying special things about our Neo, which is good. It was a nice 4-hour, maybe a 4-hour cradle. Look, I didn't take it, but the fact of the matter is that Neo once again, yet again, top performer out of the top 10. IOTA are also starting to get a bit more momentum. We've been watching that on the 4-hour pullback again, so squeaky clean again. Yeah, about wasn't that 2, 4, 6, 8? About 12 to 16 hours ago. Really, really nice, beautiful little pullback there. It's trending pretty well on the mid time frame. So this has been the one that I've said that I'm more inclined to look at. I did, however, on that last pullback, I wasn't actually looking for a trade because of the fact that so many of these candles had pulled back into the cradle on the daily. So I can't see that there was a trade, and even if there was no way I was going to take it. It's just starting to trend a lot better now. Now that we're getting outside of these cradle zones, it's now worthwhile to start consider potentially opportunities for trades. And I know some of the team have been getting some cracking trades lately. Why haven't I been getting as many cracking trades? Well, the simple truth has been that I've been very busy, and also, to be honest with you, my head's been all funny because I've just been doing too much. So I haven't been clear. I've been making just little mistakes, like typos or no comma here or thinking that I've done X when I've done Y. And look, you guys know I tell you all the time, if you're not 100%, don't trade. And yesterday I certainly wasn't 100%. The day before I was very, very tired. So I usually opt out when I'm in those sorts of positions, just because I'm not clear enough. It's my money. Look, at the end of the day, it's my money. If I'm risking my money, I want to make sure that I am sharp, because why would I not be? But there's been some good opportunities out there. There have been more higher risk. The one trade that I did take yesterday was Ethereum against the dollar on that daily, because I've been stalking it for so long. I triple checked my numbers. Basically, the reason I did it was because the trade I'd been after, the setup that I've been after for literally over a week, pulled back in, gave me exactly what I wanted. So I knew that I wasn't making the trade decision yesterday. All I had to do was get the numbers right. And guess what? Gosh darn it, I got it right. So basically, we see more green across the board, across the top 10 right now. The markets are starting to be a bit more bullish right now. There's some interesting big candles popping up. Bitcoin's candle was a donkey. Neo's candle, another donkey. The markets, though, not in recovery mode just yet, in my opinion. We're still seeing, yes, we're seeing buying, but we still haven't seen anything more than that. I'm waiting to see for that opportunity. And once that starts to show itself, you will be the first to know. So guys, have a fantastic day. Today I will be flying in the Big Bird back to beautiful Sydney, where I get one sleep after packing my fishing gear to jump on another plane to go somewhere else for 10 days. But that somewhere else is a lovely place. So you're going to have a much more relaxed me the next few days. Have a good day. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast. Check out tradercobb.com because experience matters.